We are ready. Let's start creating the first ad. So here we are on ads.linkedin.com and we click on create ad. And let's see, the system is driving us, is asking me for my username and passwords to confirm that I am logging here. And here we have the three options I told you in the last video: the sponsor content, text ad, and sponsor email. And if you want to see and have more information about each one of these, you can click on learn more and you see how it looks like. Basically, in this case, we are promoting your post. And the second one, this is how it looks like. It's a square box on your profile, in the right side of your customer's profile, with your headline, your logo, and a small description. And the last one is the sponsor email that we are doing here too, where you can send messages directly to anyone on LinkedIn using sponsor email ads. Okay, so first on this video we will do the sponsor content. So click on select here. Excellent. Now we need to continue. They are asking us if do you already have a company or showcase on LinkedIn? Yes, we have a company page. We just created one. If you don't have, you can say no and build one new company page clicking on this link. But we did that in the last video. So here we type and we search for your company name. On this case, the one we created is AdMind. You see here the logo, AdMind Education Management, 1 to 10 employees. This is the one. Account name, you can enter an account name for this ad. So I will say content ad LinkedIn. You can enter any name that you want, up to 100 characters here. Currency, you can choose the currency that you have right now and click on next. Excellent. Now let's see. Excellent. Here we are, enter the campaign name. Now we need to enter the campaign name. In this case, we are creating a sponsor ads for post. Okay. Choose the language of your target audience. So if you want to reach people that speak English, you can select English. If you want to
subscribe to my channel.